As we lie down, the therapist would request you to turn to your left side, and as we call the left lateral position, this is the best for enema. And here you turn, and of course this is as high is good. You're exposing your anal orifice, and the left is straight. Of course, as I mentioned, you would be best comfortable not in trousers but in the langoti that is served to you. And here you lie down as much you can, and of course they have the gloves, and just be relaxed enough as much you can. I know it's a very socially sensitive procedure, but then it has the initial reluctance that gets over. So what is done next? Is that you have any other we have a situation that this needle, if you can call it, this needle, if you can call it as a needle, it's not exactly needle, it's just a tube which will be controlled by this. When they make the procedure, it will be locked like this, and this is the one that is going to be inserted into the anal orifice. And once it is inserted, you have two options. Either you can request the therapist to do, which is the best, but if you are uncomfortable, the best is that they do it for you instead of you inserting yourself. But since I am used to doing it myself every year, so I generally don't bother them to do. I say I'll just insert into me. So that's also very comfortable. You can insert if you are confident of doing it. Otherwise, they will do it very professionally, very smoothly, and very lot of care is taken. But it's never a situation. This is unused one. So if this is the anal orifice, they would never go like this strong. They will be just very slow, and they will slowly drill and get inside the body very, very slowly, very, very slowly. And then they will open this tube, and then the whole liquid comes in. So here what we do is, open just to close. We will close it, but still show that this will slowly. I never want to know. Kidney try I think muggle and they will apply an oil soaked cotton just to lubricate this area, and also of course the area of the tip of the needle, and then they would of course they will do it. And they of course, if this is area of course, so this is how it is applied, and the liquid will just go in and this is how it will be slowly inserted without any much of this. And at that point, please so as it is getting in, you will feel a sense of warmth, of course. So please imagine this is the anal orifice to which it is going. Please imagine that it's the anal orifice into which it is going. You will feel a sense of warmth or hot, whatever feeling that comes. You will have a pseudo urge, a false urge that it is really getting inside you, but that's a trap. Let it go inside you for a minute or two, or even 3 or 4 minutes, doesn't matter. Once it is totally in, you will feel a bit of movement inside the abdomen, and they will be massaging your abdomen, of course your feet and the arms, or rather the sole and the palms. But even before it is totally inside you, if you feel I have to go to the washroom, of course you are the decision maker. Don't worry about everything not getting in. We can refill it again inside you. So that's very easy. It's very important that you keep talking something or the other, or you keep counting in the reverse order which the therapist would request you. Keep yourself engaged, talking something. It makes this movement easier here. And as soon as it is done, so this is how it is getting inside your body. And please note that this is not the quantity we use. This is much more. We use close to 1 liter. Exceptionally, we use up to 1.3 liters. So it varies, but at least if we get about 600 ml inside the body, even if there is some leakage, is still okay. Still the results are obtainable. And once this is, as you see the whole flow, as the whole flow goes off. Then once it is finished, you can be very sure that this needle is your piece. This needle is your piece. It's not used for anybody else, of course. You have the option of taking to your room and using it again, because the edge becomes much more smoother when it's used fresh every day, which is also an option you can do of your own. Some clients do complain that they feel better with a repeated needle of their own instead of a new needle every day. It's all your choice. We are open to every day providing that. So you can keep it in your room and you can bring when you're coming to the room again, or else every day when they open it, they will open in front of you. You can insist on that for like this kind of cover, and they will just break it in front of you. So this is the concern that is addressed to regarding the needle usage. If you have hemorrhoids or such issues, please let the therapist know it, and they will take extra care for it. So once imagining now that it has totally gone inside me, what the therapist would do is, it's like they will make massage of the abdomen, and they will make, or they will request you to do the palms being done like this, and they will massage the abdomen after the enema and and then the sole is also done the same. And then the most important thing, even if you like or you don't like, it is very important that you consume what is being provided to you. Could be banana, could be rice water soup, or any other food material. It's very important after a decoction enema, that is a big enema, to have some food. Otherwise, some people faint, some people tremor. There's so many things that may or may not happen. And the last important thing, even if you have any kind of discomfort, the therapists are trained enough and conveyed enough and educated enough to handle that situation till they contact the doctor for helping you. They have all the medicines that can easily handle any discomfort or response of the body after the enema. So this fairly summarizes the whole about of enema, but still please speak to the doctor before your enema after watching this video.